Have you ever faced a challenge so profound it nearly brought you to your knees? Moments when giving up felt like the only option? If so, this video is for you. Today we're exploring 7 timeless Stoic lessons on perseverance, insights that will inspire you to keep moving forward, no matter how tough the road becomes. Let's begin. Lesson 1. Accept your fate. Embrace every moment, even the difficult ones. Recognize that your existence is both rare and beautiful. And many of us live clinging to our vision of how life should unfold, attempting to control the uncontrollable. The truth is, much lies beyond our grasp. In practice, this means resisting the urge to fight life's challenges. Instead, see them as essential parts of your journey and focus on what you can control, your response. Lesson 2. Don't complain. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, everything that happens is either endurable or not. If it's endurable, endure it. Stop complaining. Rather than blaming circumstances, shift your mindset. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow? This approach transforms adversity into opportunity, empowering you to become an active problem solver instead of a passive sufferer. Lesson 3. It's not the end of the world. Sometimes problems feel so immense they obscure any glimpse of hope. But remember, even in the darkest moments, it's not the end. Life is a rich, complex tapestry where bad days and setbacks are mere threads in the grand design. Understanding this helps us face difficulties with balance and perspective, knowing better days lie ahead. Lesson 4. Don't just endure, act. Seneca reminds us, putting things off is the biggest waste of life. It denies us the present by promising the future. Live immediately. Perseverance is not passive endurance. It's about actively addressing challenges. Procrastination only deepens suffering, allowing hardship to take control. Instead, Stoics urge us to confront difficulties head-on with determination, tenacity, and problem-solving. Lesson 5. Demand better for yourself. Epictetus declared, if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Perseverance isn't merely enduring hardship, it's about striving for a better life. Demanding more for yourself means setting high standards, not only for your goals, but also for how you allow others to treat you. Assert your boundaries with kindness and firmness. Most importantly, hold yourself accountable to your best in attitude, action, and self-respect. Lesson 6. Stop torturing yourself. As Epictetus observed, we suffer not from events, but from our judgment about them. Often, we burden ourselves with negative interpretations, excessive self-blame, and harmful inner dialogue. Countless studies confirm that the way we speak to ourselves shapes our mental health. Negative self-talk can distort our perception of our abilities and lead to unnecessary failure. Instead, treat yourself with compassion. You're human, allowed to stumble, learn, and rise again. Lesson 7. Leverage your resources. All too often, we overlook the tools already within our reach while envying the resources of others. Resilience, experience, critical thinking, and patience. These are treasures we each possess. Recognize, nurture, and deploy these internal resources. Don't hesitate to seek external help either, whether it's advice, assistance, or technology. True perseverance is about using every resource at your disposal to overcome adversity. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these lessons resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join us on this journey of growth and wisdom. Stay steadfast, and until next time, stay stoic.